Here's an old classic. Two Rivarossi AHM Jeep 18s still in their prime, in running condition after several years of sitting, having to be rebuilt. Well, then some rewiring issues. Finally got them up and running. We're still working on it. Stupid U25C that's dead. We'll get that baby running sooner or later. Low geared, but man, they got some whole kick to them. '70s technology still running to this day. These were originally Penn Central units. Kept the shells, but got my hands on two others. Were undecorated, but beat the hell. Now this is the rebuilt. And the rebuilds that were repainted into Boston and Maine using the old Penn Central frames.